Welcome to MeeLearn Chinese. Hey, it's Rose Lee. Probably the biggest question I get asked is this. How do you say how are you in Chinese? So I want to invite you to a brand new Chinese conversational lesson I'm hosting. In this lesson, you will learn how to greet people in Chinese. If you're meeting someone for the first time, you can say
你好.
你好. 你 literally means you. 好 literally means good. 你好, hello, or hi. If you want to be polite and very respectful, you can say 您好. 您好 is used in formal situations like a business, addressing seniors or someone important. 您好.
你好.
How do native speakers greet each other then? If you are greeting acquaintances. 去哪儿?
去买菜.
吃了吗?
吃了. You will learn not to say 你好吗? Why? 你好吗 is a direct translation of how are you. Native speakers simply don't greet each other in this way. Let's review. 你 you. 好 good. 你好 hello or hi. 您好 is a polite way to say hello or hi. Now it's time for a culture tip.
吃了吗?
吃了. Why do Chinese people greet each other by asking, have you eaten? Chinese had lived in poverty in the past. To most people, having 3 full meals was the biggest concern. Therefore, have you eaten? 吃了吗? That's it for today's lesson. I hope you're enjoying it. Bye!